What's going on, everybody? I'm here in Muskegon, Michigan, up near Lake Michigan for the Michigan Tesla Summer Meetup. I can't wait. I'm heading over to Heritage Landing. We're doing a speaker panel, so it's going to be a ton of fun. So I'm heading there right now. Look at this. FSD's yielding for this intersection here, which is awesome. And we're coming up. I'm going to pass the Airbnb here on the left side. Oh my gosh! Did you just see that? Guys, I think that's David Moss. Hold on a second. And we're coming up. I'm going to pass the Airbnb here on the left side. Oh my gosh! And we're coming up. I'm going to pass the Airbnb here on the left side. Oh my gosh! Did you just see that? Guys, I think that's David Moss. Hold on a second. Super exciting stuff. Wow, that reaction time was insane, especially for Hardware 3. You've tested this a lot, David. What were your thoughts on that?
It really surprised me. I thought it was, I thought it would be a noticeable night and day difference between Hardware 3, Hardware 4, but that was a spectacular showing. It really held its own, and I didn't even need to back up. It would have saved me if I would have kept going. So.
This guy's brave, really brave to jump out in front. I'll have to go back and check, but I think I was going like 25 miles an hour. It was insane how fast it reacted. Anyway, here with David Moss, more to come, heading over to Heritage Landing. Hope you guys are having a great day. I got the red wheel and everything. Dude, that was insane. But I did not touch the brake. I was ready to.
That lady was yelling at me when right as you were coming to.
Yeah, hi.
Listen, you scared us by running, jumping in front of this car now.
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, we're filming. We're YouTubers.
Oh, you YouTubers?
Yeah.
Listen.
This is a self-driving car. It stopped all on its own. I didn't have to do a single thing.
Okay, 'cause listen, I just seen him run.